Hey guys, for today's makeup tutorial, I was inspired by this berry kind of lip. I absolutely love a berry lip, so I wanted that to be the focus point of today's look. And then I did a very soft, a taupey kind of very light shade on the eyes for an eyeshadow, and then a really nice winged liner and some lashes. Not gonna lie, my wing liner is a little bit wobbly because I haven't done a wing liner in a hot minute. So this eye was, I don't know, it's a little thicker, a little cricketer, but cricketer, it's not a word. Nope, that's not a word. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy this look. It's really simple. I think it's beautiful and easy to do and recreate. So yeah, let's jump right into this tutorial. Hello from the bare-faced me. Yep, starting off with a bare face, moisturized, and also put on some lip balm. Really nice to do this before a makeup application. Makes a big difference at the end for your lipstick and lip products. Then I went in with some Hard Envy. This is a Hard Candy Sheer Envy primer. It's really nice. It has that like silicone kind of feel, so it fills in the pores really well. I kind of like to put it all over. And then I'm going in with my foundation. Y'all already know the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. I'm not going to say anything else because I've talked about it way too much. And I think it's about time that I stop, rambling about it. So here I am just applying it all over my face, smearing it, smudging it, blending it, and then I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. That in the cheekbone area and then also on my forehead. I'm using a stippling brush, which I actually discovered in this video is the best for blending out the cream products. Like the cream contour blended out like a dream so easily with this brush. It's now my go-to for bronzer for cream products. Oh my goodness, love. Then I'm going to go in with the Master Conceal by Maybelline. I'm putting that under my eyes and I'm kind of warming it up with my fingers because my under eye area has been a little dry recently and I feel like using my fingers just kind of help it blend in really nice. And then I did my eyebrows off camera and now I'm going to go in with the soft ochre Painterly paint pot. Recently I started using this and I kind of feel like it really makes my eyeshadow last a lot longer than concealer. I don't know, maybe it's just like in my head, but somehow I really love the way that this has been looking. So I've been using that and then I'm going to go in and I'm going to bake. So I'm baking under my eyes, around my nose, on my chin, and I'm also going to be baking under the contour. Baking under the contour, especially under like cream contour, makes such a chiseled cheek that will last you forever. Like the lasting power is unbelievable. I'm like super in love with this method. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to sweep all that powder that we baked with all over my face just to kind of powder everything. And then I'm going to be going in with this highlight and contour palette. This is by IBY Beauty. It's a really gorgeous palette. I absolutely love it. I use it every single day. And I'm just basically softly putting a little more color. And I'm also bronzing my nose, just putting a little on the sides just to give my nose kind of a more three-dimensional look. Since we are using such a full coverage foundation, I like to go in and do this little step. It takes seconds, but I feel like it makes a difference. And then I go in with some blush, just a nice peachy tone blush. That's my go-to. I love a peachy tone blush. And then I'm going in with this palette here. Very pretty palette, and I'm basically going to be using that nice kind of bone toned shade, and I'm putting that all over my lids. This eyeshadow look is like very low-key, very simple. I just put that shade down all over on the lids up to the brow bone, and then I went in with this taupey shade and I put it in the crease and like halfway on my lids and blended it out. And now I'm going in with some highlight. I'm going to be highlighting. I basically use those two because I really like the way that it looks. The pinkier one is the Wet n Wild, and then the more golden shade is the Becca, and it just looks so pretty together. Then I went in with a little more of that bone color, and I just kind of put a little more on the lid just to brighten it up a little. And I went in with that taupe on the bottom lash line and smoked it out. Now I'm highlighting my nose. I absolutely love doing this now. now. I used to feel a little weird about it, but now I really like it. I feel like once you find a highlight that really works and that kind of just makes you look like glowy, this is really, really pretty. So I put it down the bridge of the nose, on the Cupid's bow, and, you know, cheekbones, and pretty much everywhere, really, a little bit everywhere. And then I went in with my NYC Liquid Eyeliner. Like I said, I had a little bit of a difficult time with this because I don't really do wing liner very often. I don't love a wing liner on myself. I'm just kind of more into eyeshadows. So sometimes though, I'm like, I really want to do a wing liner, and I'm like really feeling a wing liner, especially if I'm scrolling through Instagram and I see all these beautiful wing liners and I just get super inspired. So yeah, basically creating a very thin little wing, not too dramatic. And then I went in with actually eyelashes and mascara off camera because I didn't realize that my camera stopped recording. So at this clip right here, they're on, and I will put what I used in the description box below. And now I'm going in with the lip color, which is the star of the show. I started off with a nice berry lip liner, which is super, super beautiful. This is actually really pigmented and very beautiful on its own. You can absolutely leave it and just like put this lip liner all over the lips and call it a day. I do that all the time, but I did want to go in with this color just because I have it and I never use it. And then I went in with a little bit of gloss, which is kind of more of a berry tone gloss, and it just adds a nice shine. Yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!